Hi, this is Drea, and welcome to the Kodiak course template. This video will explain what's in this template and how to use it to jumpstart creating your Kodiak course. The Kodiak online course template is a starting point designed to jumpstart your Kodiak course building. The first thing that you need to do before you can customize this template is copy it into your current Kodiak classroom. And I have provided in the template instructions as to how to do that. Within the first news widget item, notice there's a link to how to copy course components video. You can select that and watch the video to find out how to do that. This master course template currently has all the business school faculty enrolled in it as faculty, which means that it can be edited. But we don't want you to do that. We want this template to remain untouched, and then we want everybody to copy it into their live course, and then once it's in their live course, you can modify it and edit it so that it accurately reflects you and the course that you're teaching. So that's the first very important thing you need to do with this template, is copy it into your live course. We have instructions for you on how to do that, linked to in the first news item. If you are unclear as to how this process works, you can contact someone in the Ed Tech and Training office. So, let's say that this has been copied into a live course. In Kodiak, you have the news widget, which is a great way to communicate with students. Take a look at what's in the template, and when you're done reading all of the news items that I've put in the template, delete everyone except this one, the sample welcome to your students. You're going to want to edit this one, so you would select the pencil to edit it. To delete the others, you would hit the trash cans to delete them. So the template comes with a structure. If you select content, you'll see that structure. The structure begins with a hidden module called Template How-To Documents. We've hidden this from student view, so you could leave this in your course if you wanted to, or delete it. So I recommend printing the Kodiak course template guide, as it will help to explain to you how you can modify it and use it for your course. If you have never used Kodiak before and you're feeling very overwhelmed, I recommend viewing the Getting Started in Kodiak video. This is a 20-minute long video that gives you an overview of the Kodiak system, teaches you how to navigate around it, and details all the features and functionality in it. If you're interested in setting up a gradebook, there is a document to guide you through setting up your Kodiak gradebook. If you need a refresh on how to copy the course components, you can do that here with this video. And then this is a link to the Introduction to Kodiak for Faculty course that everyone should be enrolled in. If not, contact us and we'll enroll you in that course. And this course is going to, together with the template, provide you with training resources in a self-directed, on your own time, as needed basis. So below this template how-to document module, it begins the structure of the course template. It begins with a course information module with items inside that all can be edited. We also include a link for students to the page of videos that we have provided for them to help them to use Kodiak. I recommend leaving that. And there are two discussions that have been put into the template. One is for Kodiak related Q&A and the other is for course related Q&A. So you might want to leave these if you think that your students are going to have Kodiak questions or course related questions. The nice thing about having them in a discussion topic in your course is that chances are other students will be able to answer each other's questions. The overall structure is set up to be weekly and by topic, and within each week and topic module there's a sub-module for resources. These are your static types of files that you want to provide for students as well as links to websites. And the activities sub-module is where we recommend putting interactive activities like discussions and drop boxes and quizzes. This structure is a sample and can be either modified to fit your needs by selecting the pencil or deleted entirely by selecting the item and then selecting the trash can above. If you want to look at something, when you're in Manage Content, it is possible to look from within Manage Content by selecting the Jump To arrow for each item you want to look at. If you don't do that and you select an item, it opens in a new window outside of Kodiak, so you're in a dead end. It is the natural thing to do to want to select the name of the file. Instead, when you're in Manage Content, use the Jump To view within the Content Viewer and then select the pencil to modify. Whenever you go into content, you're in Manage Content because you have the ability to create your course's table of contents. And when you go to view content, you see that in fact that is what they call this structure or outline, a table of contents. So as though your course were a book, you're building the table of contents. And this template is a sample of how you might lay out your table of contents. In addition to the static elements, the files that we put in here, we do have discussions and drop boxes, as well as a sample quiz and a sample survey. If you want to modify these, you're going to return to Course Home and go to those specific areas within the Tools widget. So to look at the discussions and perhaps modify them, I select Discussions from the Tools widget. And now I'm in the discussion area where I see all the different discussions in the template, and with the pencil I can edit any of them. That holds true for the Dropbox area. So you would go to the Course Home so that you can access the Tools widget and select Dropbox from within the Tools widget, and then modify using the Edit icon the sample Dropbox folders. Okay, so together with the documents provided in the template how-to, the Introduction to Kodiak for Faculty course, you should be in pretty good shape in terms of modifying this template to meet your course's needs. If you do have questions, you can contact any of us in EdTech and Training. Good luck.